What's up, students? Personal pronouns and their antecedents. Let's talk about them. A pronoun is simply a word that takes the place of a noun. And the antecedent? Big word, right? That's just a fancy name for the noun that the pronoun just replaced. Let's start with a basic sentence. Emily loves her dog, Nemo. In this sentence, the word her is a personal pronoun. It takes the place of the noun Emily. And so the word Emily is the antecedent. It is the noun that the pronoun replaced. Here's a tip. A pronoun needs an antecedent to tell us who or what it's talking about. Without an antecedent, we'd be left wondering. We might even continue that idea with this sentence. She walks him every day. She and him are both pronouns, and their antecedents, Emily and Nemo, are referenced in the prior sentence. Pretty simple concept, right? Check out this sentence. The boys play their favorite game. The pronoun there refers back to the boys, right? That makes the boys the antecedent. See how the pronoun replaces a longer phrase and keeps the sentence smooth? You'll come across lots of personal pronouns like he, she, it, we, you, and they. These words are great shortcuts to avoid repeating the same noun over and over. That's it for personal pronouns and antecedents. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro at this in no time.